Welcome to the Hyatt Regency, Palm Springs. Here's our panel of light switches. We got the, what do we get?
The VIP.
We got the VIP suite. Okay. So first, we have a little desky desk. Lots of plugs for your business needs. Got this chair. Makes a lot of nice clicking and squeaking sounds. We've been here for the last 2 nights, so we did our best to pick up because there's no housekeeping right now in time of COVID. We got an ice bucket, a Q-Wick, and we had some coffee pots. This one's decaf, hence the reason it's staying here. A little wonky fridge. You have to open both drawers there. There we go. Oh, hey-oh. It's empty now. Because again, we're actually packed up and ready to go. Don't look at our trash situation here. A little banquette. A table with seating for 4, just in case you have your whole family here. Some silverware rolls. Balcony number 1. Overlooks the pool and the golf course and these trees and people doing work on their car. It's very nice. It's very nice. Heading back in, watch your step. Well, you got 2 lounger chairs out here, but you got half the stuff here, half the stuff there. So no one whole set here. Come on in here. I'll let you take over the living room commentary so you can tell us how big the TV is.
All right, so over here we have a sofa bed. Right here, it's a pull-out couch with a chaise.
It's so comfortable.
It's
showing its age.
We'll get to that in a second. We have ottoman right here in the middle.
Okay.
And then over here we have a TV. Looks to be about a 50-inch TV. That sits on the entertainment rack and entertainment storage area. It's a lovely shirt you got there, huh? And then this is balcony number 2. Again, you can see the pool from this one as well.
Some bougainvillea blooms, the golf course floor. Some more mountains. It's actually a pretty cool view.
This one does not have any patio seating.
No. Yeah, you're only on here.
And there's a lip on all of the balconies when you come out onto the balcony, so just be careful of that.
Also, the lights stay on 24 hours a day out here.
Oh yeah. The lights on one of the balconies, actually all the balconies stay on. Once the sun goes down, it stays on. But that's another view of the couch. All right. Take it away, hon.
It might be the most uncomfortable couch I've ever sat on. Come on in and I'll close this one up. There you go. How big is that TV?
I said it's about 50-inch.
Oh, okay. All right, and then we have to the right our bathroom. It's got a nice big shower with some fancy shower heads. Some, again, we've been here for 2 days. We've been here for a couple of days, so there's towels out. There's lots of purple hair in the bottom. Bunch of shower heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shower heads.
8 shower heads.
It's big enough for 2 or more people to shower at the same time and no one's cold, so that's nice. We got this toilet, just a regular old toilet, and a nice good place. Precinct comes with the hair dryer, 2 rows of toilet paper. Good, because the hospital. little actual physical door in case you're staying with people or your family. And then luggage rack, safe, ironing board. The iron fell and almost murdered the Yeti this morning. Again, don't judge us on the bed. Been here 2 nights. And there's no housekeeping. So the bed was not super comfortable either. 2 nightstands, USB ports only over there. There's nothing over here for USB ports. And then I say dresser.
Another about 50-inch TV over there.
The biggest balcony I've ever seen in my entire life. Kind of complete-ish. Complete-ish. Here's the view over here. That's it. The Hyatt Regency Palm Springs VIP suite. Oh, can you get the weird windmill stuff? The wind farm over there?
Way off in the distance there. But this third balcony off the bedroom, super huge. It's large. And this light over here stays on at night. So you do have to close the blackout curtains in order to get a blackout most of the light.
Yeah, you're into that kind of thing.
That's it. This is the VIP here at the Hyatt Regency.
And do you think it was worth it?
So, I know we do room tours. I try not to put any commentary, but this property is showing its age. They're gonna have to probably redo also the AC. There's AC here, and none of the AC didn't work the entire time we're here. So it was super hot. Turn that off since we're leaving. It was super hot the entire time. And the properties is really showing its age. But if they happen to renovate, this would be a really great spot for you to spend
With your family.
with your family, or with a small group of people, or with your family. Like we entertained the group, the other couple that were with us. So.
And it's definitely a redone Embassy Suites. Oh, it's definitely a redone Embassy Suites. It's like the ones in Anaheim. It's not. I mean, I love an Embassy Suite.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. We gotta go.
Thank you for watching our room tour.
Thank you.
And this was again the Hyatt Regency here in Palm Springs. It is March 16th, 2022.